Good afternoon, friends. It's a good news that we have got iOS 17 released for public, and I have just downloaded like 3 hours ago. Performance on iPhone 11. Currently, many people will be like bothering like if we can update or not, and if we update, like is the system lagging, or a lot of glitches are there in terms of performance. So currently, when I have downloaded, if you see my screen, yeah. So currently I'm running like iOS 17. Yeah. So it's like amazing. It's like working fine, no lag, no heat. I'm currently using almost like 3-4 hours continuously, and I feel that it's working fine. There's no software glitches right now. So you can what I'll suggest to wait for 2-3 days more in terms of my second review, detailed review on this. But initial impressions, I feel this is great, especially with the iOS 17. It's working fine. All the features, like in terms of night, or different whatever features they have added, is working fine. So what I'll say is like to wait for 2-3 days before installing. If you want to install, you go and install, but just wait for 2-3 days for my detailed review. Then I can give you the clear picture, right? Is there any problem, is there or not on the software. Thank you, and please subscribe. That will help me to create more content in terms of like creating reviews on these things. Thank you so much.